Welcome to this guide on restoring old photos with AI. Whether you need to repair scratches, dots, and other imperfections in old photos, upscale old photos to stunning 4K or even 10K clarity, or transform black and white old photos into vibrant color masterpieces, you'll find the magic AI solutions. We've divided our content into 3 parts, so you can jump directly to your preferred section. Go to this website, select your old photo for loading to this tool. Check this button as the old photo comes with scratches. Click Run. Give a few minutes to process the photo. Let's check the result. The scratches are already removed off. Click down to save it on the local disk. To get started, download and install VideoProc Converter AI from the link listed in the comments section. Open it up, click Super Resolution. Import all your old photos. Choose the photo type. Reality for real-life photos like old family photos. Anime for non-realistic images like manga-style illustrations. VideoProc Converter AI can automatically reduce unwanted noise and artifacts. For anime-style old photos, you can adjust the noise level. Then, let's decide the output resolution. Click this if you want to enhance the clarity while keeping the original resolution. You can use the before and after slider to compare the improvements as you go. If you want to scale up the resolution, try these upscaling options. They can increase the resolution up to 200%, 300%, or even 400% of the original. Feel free to experiment with different scale ratio to find which works best for your photos. Check the option for high quality engine. Adjust the output format, quality, and destination folder as desired. To restore multiple old photos efficiently, you can right-click the current photo and select Apply Settings to All to apply the current settings to all other photos. Tap Run to start exporting the restored photos. That's it. VideoProc Converter AI revitalizes your blurry old photos with crystal clear quality. Try this amazing tool now to explore video upscaling, frame interpolation, stabilization, and other AI-powered features. Go to this website. Import the old photo by drag and drop. Simply click Run. The colorization process can start automatically. Let's check it out. The result looks amazing. Hit download to save it locally. Alright, this is all for today's video, and leave a comment down below to let us if it helps. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. See you in the next video.